What is up, guys? This is the lottery scratch off challenge. So basically we're both scratching off a ticket, and whoever wins more gets to keep the other person's money as well.
Okay.
I didn't tell you that. So we both got $5. So if I win 10, he wins 5, I get $15. Do you want to go first, or do you want me to go first?
You go first.
Okay, let's go. So I'm doing the Mega Hot Super 7s. So if I get a 7 right here on the top row, I get what's down below. If I get a 77, I win $77. Then if I get a 7X symbol, I win 7 times on the bottom row. I'm gonna try to go fast here, okay? Oh, and I got a mega bonus. Reveal a coin symbol, instantly win 777. So I can win up to 777,777, a lot. All right.
A lot of sevens, huh?
So yeah, first of all, we got 16. So I gotta go for the 7 here. Nothing. You double check here just to make sure. Is that good?
Yep, nothing.
Okay. All right. Row 2. Jeez, oh, come on, dude. Row 2. I need to at least get something, because if we tie, we gotta go into overtime. We gotta go on the extra tickets here. Oh, a 7. Okay, 7. $5. Okay, $5. So I made my money back, and now I'm up $5. Woo! And I'm halfway done. It's kind of scary, I'm not gonna lie. All right, let's see here. 46, 48. Come on, that's fine. I will take a 7. You know what? I'll take $5 because that's better than nothing here. All right. Oh crap. Okay. So now, what is that? Just reveal
A coin.
Reveal 3 coins.
Yep, reveal 3 of them.
I swear, bro! 2 coins? That's so annoying. All right, so I won, how much did I win? $5. All right, so you got to get $5 to go into overtime, or $6 to win, and you get my money. Let's go. All right, so $5 ties it, $6 wins it. Let's see, what do you got here?
Okay, match any of your numbers to any of the winning numbers. Win prize shown. Reveal a money bag symbol. Win that prize automatically. A 10 times symbol. Win 10 times the prize shown. Reveal a win symbol. Win all 15 prizes
So you got 1, 2, 3, 15. How much should I have? About 16 probably?
749.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, but
So I'm like-
look how much I could win. I won, well, 77,000. You can win 16.4 million. So, but you got a strategy here or what?
Nope, just gonna go 5, 13, and 14. 20. 9, 30, 11,
Oh.
1.
Oh yeah, come on.
12, are you serious? 3, 23, 6, 29.
Man.
5 more, here we go.
Hey, subscribe right now to give him
4,
good luck. Subscribe right now.
27, 28.
Oh no.
This ain't looking too shabby.
We got one more.
I thought that was a 13, God dang it.
No, you don't get like a bonus or anything?
No bonuses.
I'll let you get one more chance. Okay?
Okay.
But the deal still stands. So you got to get more than me to win, but if you get like $2 or $3, I get it, okay?
Okay.
All right, deal. Here we go. He's got one more chance, guys.
Basically.
All right, so what is this here?
Kind of the same thing, but matching of your numbers, you get that prize.
500.
Get a coin symbol, win prize shown automatically. Get a $50 symbol, win 50 automatically. Get a 100 symbol, 100 automatically, and 500 automatically.
All right, so you got
50
3,
chances.
6. All right, let's see here.
6, 4, and 18. Okay, here we go. Come on, wish me luck.
Okay, 19, 11.
29.
Jeez.
10, 15.
Dude,
13.
you need
30,
something.
7, 26, 20. 17, 14, 12,
Dang.
16.
All right, so you're 0 for 2, and I won the $5 off of the Mega Super Hot 7s. Thank you guys so much for watching that video. I am sorry your scratch odds were not good today. If you guys want to see us do another scratch off, make sure you like this video right now and subscribe. We're so close to 200,000 subscribers. I want to get 200,000 by my birthday. I love you all. New videos are like 1 to 2 a week. I'll see you guys next time. Really, though, like this video. If it gets 25 likes, we'll do more lottery tickets because I actually like doing lottery tickets. What do you say?
I agree.
All right, see you guys next time. Peace. Bingo was his name, oh. Here's all of my winning numbers. Well, I don't think I got any. What do you guys think?